In this video, we are going to see the aptitude questions on time and work. I have taken a question that there are three persons like A, B, C can do a piece of work in 36 days, 60 and 45 days respectively. In how many days all together can do the work? Means A can do the work in 36 days, B can do in 60 days, C can do in 45 days. Suppose it is a piece of work. If all together can do, then how many days the work is going to complete? So this is the meaning of the question. So in order to solve such problems, you should do like this. Write the persons first A, B, C, then days or time of work here like 36, B can do in 60 and C in 45 days. Here we need, so all are doing a piece of work in their own unit per day. So the total amount of work is same. Means let us consider a total amount of work like total work. In this total work, you can take any variable. Variable means A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, so on. Anything of variable, or you can take any number. Any number also no problem. Or you can take LCM. So I will prefer this LCM. So use the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of these numbers is like this: 36, 60, 45. Then if you make LCM for this, if you multiply all this, you will going to get 540 as the LCM. So LCM is 540. Here you should mention here 540, like 540 units. Then this is the total amount of work. Let us consider this LCM is a total amount of work. Then this total amount of work A can do in 36 days. Means per day he can complete 540 by 36 units. So per day you can complete this many number of units. Means if you do this, here you will get 15 units per day. Unit per day you can mention here. And if we and B can perform this 540 units in 60 days. Per day you can complete 9 units, and this 540 units C can complete in 45 days. Means per day he can complete 12 units. See, up to here you are completed a first part of the question. The second part he asked to find if all together can do, then how many days the total work is going to complete. Means this all together can complete a unit of work like 15 plus 9 plus 12, which is 36 units per day. If you see here, 15 divided by 540 divided by 15 means you're going to get 36 days, and 540 divided by 9 means it's going to get 60 days. Similarly, when this 36 units of work like this, the total amount of work 540 per day, it is going to complete is 36 units. Then if we do like this, you are going to get 15. Then this 15 is number of days. All together can perform in 15 days. So this is how you can solve this time and work aptitude question. So I will show few number of question. See here, the second question is A can do a work in 40 days while A and B together can do the same work in 30 days. So let us mention the data. Then how many days B alone can do the work is the question. So first of all, let us mention the question, like A can do the work in 40 days. On top we can go to write here days. Again A plus B together can do the same work in 30 days. A plus B can do the same work in 30 days. Then here you need to write total amount of work, total quantity of work. Means here I missed that you can use multiplication of these three terms also. You can use multiplication of these three terms also here. There is a number of ways to calculate this total amount of work. Just we are assuming a one figure in order to find the answer. So you can use any one of them. I prefer this LCM only. So if we calculate LCM for this, then 4 3 ja 12 and 1 0 120 units. So LCM for this 40 and 30 is 120. So this 120 is, let us mention, units. Then this is the total number of units. So this 120 units A can do in 40 days. Means per day, unit per day is 120 divided by 40, which is going to give us 3 units per day. And A and B together can do in 30 days. Then 120 by 30, which gives 4 units per day. See here, A alone can do only 3 units per day. Means A can do 3 units and then B can do only 1 unit only. So B is doing only 1 unit per day. Then for 120 units, then let us mention here B can do only 1 unit per day. Then for 120 units, 120 divided by this one, you are going to get 120 days. So B alone can do the work in 120 days. So this is the final answer. So this is the easiest way, or you can say shortcut, to do this time and work aptitude questions. Let us take one more question. So these questions are only just basic questions. I will move to advanced questions in this time and work. So don't forget to watch that advanced questions also. Let us solve this question now. The total work is 12 units. Now unit per day is, or unit per hour is 12 divided by 4. We are going to get 3 units per day. And 12 by 3, which is 4. 12 by 2, which is 6. So A alone can do only, so now A alone can do 3 units per hour. Means here A plus C, we have 3 units plus 3 units. So C perform only 3 units. Then here we have 3 units plus B perform only 1 unit. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So B performing only 1 unit. So now B is equals to, I will write here 1 unit. Then 12 by 1, which is giving you